Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. So I'm just going to select my profile, so hit that emoji of yourself on the top left corner. And then you are going to go down and press create public profile. Then you are just going to press continue and press get started. Then you're just going to press create, and then you're just going to select my public profile, and here you can even edit your profile over here, your preview profile. You can add even a bio, location, and even your subscriber count, and you can save a you can preview your profile right here. As you can see, I don't have anything yet posted to my public profile, and I can change that to by pressing save a story to your profile. So save your best snaps on your public profile for as long as you'd like. So select that, and here you can select snaps that I've added to Spotlight, or you can even add stuff from your camera roll too. For instance, this one, I'm just going to select that, and then I am going to press next, and I'm just going to right click for this one and press finish, and that will be posted on my public profile on Snapchat. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!